guys, how you doing? How's it been? Been good, I hope. I haven't really sat down and talked to you guys since the beginning of 2021, or the end of 2020, because I had a bunch of stuff going on, and honestly, like, considering the political climate, it just took me a little while to get back in front of a camera and talk to you guys the way that I normally would. I did just release my runway haul visuals, but that was easier, honestly, than doing this at the time, so that's why you got that first. Today, I'm gonna do something really cool. I'm doing henna freckles today. So before you freak out, before you like panic or get worried, don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I've done this before, and just in case you're wondering, yes, I've seen Naomi John's video. I saw it. No, I'm not gonna make that mistake, don't worry. I actually have the henna right here. This is the brand that I'm using. This is the same brand I think she had as well. You can't really see. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's called Galecha, and it says natural mahandi cone. All right, so I've done this once before. Actually, technically I've done this twice before, and the first time I did it like all right here, right? And I loved it on this side of my face, but I actually didn't like it on this side, because if you can't tell, I've got like some dark spots right here. You probably can't really see because my lighting is really like, but I have like some dark spots right here. They're not a big deal, but with the freckles at the time, it made it look, it just somehow Olivia, words. It somehow oh my god, I cannot say this word. Accentuated. It enhanced my already dark spots. Now, back then, my dark spot was a lot darker than it is now, but still, I like don't really want to have that happen. I'm gonna try to focus on my nose mainly. I think freckles on your nose only is just so freaking cute, so I want that. And then maybe I'll go out just a little bit, so this little area right here will have freckles too. My mirror is right here, that's why I'm looking over here. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. To be honest, I don't use oil on my skin when I use it because it doesn't work if I have it. My face has to be clean and dry. If it has oil on it, it doesn't work. I actually did this video earlier. This video was supposed to come out before the Around My Visuals video, but turns out I didn't even realize this, but it makes sense, like it's obvious. If you use a chemical exfoliator on your face, I use Paula's Choice chemical exfoliator on my skin, and it got rid of the henna freckles that I did in like literally 2 days, and I was just like not happy. I mean, it was fine, but well, there's a hack for you. If you don't like the freckles, then just get yourself a chemical exfoliator and use it once or twice, like once in the morning, once at night, you know, for like 2 or 3 days, and they'll be gone. Literally, the freckles that I did are pretty much all gone. So this time around, I'm probably not going to be using Paula's Choice while I have them, because usually this should last around like 2 weeks, maybe 3, depending on like what you do with your skincare. So I at least want to get that. Like, I want to get some cute looks for 2 weeks or so with some freckles. Okay, so that's what this looks like. I really love this method for a lot of reasons. It really does let you just have freckles for a little bit, and they look so natural. They don't look like, I mean, when you put freckles on with like, I don't know, I use like eyebrow cream sometimes or something of that nature, it doesn't look that great. Like, it's cute for video, but in person it's not cute. If you ever wonder what you would look like with freckles, this is a really good idea. Like I said, it lasts for about 2 weeks and some change, and if you don't like it, you can always get yourself a chemical exfoliator and it'll be gone in like 2 or 3 days. So I just think this is such a fun thing to do. As long as you get the right color, you should be fine. Just literally go watch Naomi John's video if you want to know what not to do, and then watch her second video if you really want to know what to do specifically. I will let this probably sit for about 15-20 minutes. I need to wait for it to dry, and then after it dries, I'll let it sit for like maybe another 5 just in case, and then I'll rinse it off. I'll come back to you and show you what it looks like as soon as I take it off, and then I'll come back to you tomorrow as well, because the henna freckles take about a day. Like, you gotta wait a day for it to really like show up. So yeah, I will be back in like a second. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so I washed off the henna and you can see the little freckles, right? See all that? And like right here, that's a dark spot, but right here. So you can kind of see them right now, but you won't get like a really good view of them until a day after. This is so freaking cute. I freaking love this and I'm very happy. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day. I took a picture of how these freckles look outside and I'm gonna show you right now. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more, if you want to hang out, you want to be my friend, please subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one, which will be pretty soon. So yeah, bye.